Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install an iPhone-like keyboard on Vivo Y28. To install a keyboard that will resemble the iPhone keyboard, go to Play Store, then in Search tab search for green Apple keyboard. Okay, click on Install. And after a short while, you'll be able to open this app. Then click on Enable in Settings, enable Green Apple Keyboard and click on OK, OK. Then go back, switch input methods, Green Apple Keyboard, and finished. You can also adjust in-app settings here, but you don't have to since it's already set. So you can go into any app that you can type in to test your keyboard. Let's test it in the Google app, and you can search for anything with your new keyboard. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.